In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Campaign Monitor. Start by opening your browser and searching for Campaign Monitor. This helps you land on the official site without needing to remember the exact URL. When the results load, click the official Campaign Monitor link to head straight to their homepage. Once you're on the site, look for the login option and sign in to your account. After you're in, navigate to the Campaign section. This is your hub for everything related to building and managing email sends. Next, choose Create a Campaign. You'll be asked whether you want to build a single campaign or a campaign series, which is currently in beta. A single campaign is perfect for one-off announcements, newsletters, and promotions. A campaign series is better for a sequence of messages, like a welcome or onboarding flow. If you're just getting started or have one message to send, pick the single campaign option. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. This name is internal, so use something specific like April Newsletter, Spring Promo to keep your workspace organized. Now set the essential details: your subject line, the to field, and the from information. Choose the audience list or segment you want to email, set a recognizable sender name, and use a professional from address. Keep your subject line concise and compelling. Aim for clarity over cleverness, and consider adding preview text if available to expand on your subject and improve open rates. Click Design Email to start building. You'll see options to reuse a past email, use a template, import custom HTML, or create a plain text email. Reusing a past email is great for recurring formats. Templates are ideal if you want a quick, polished layout. Import HTML if you have a coded design, and choose plain text for minimal, highly deliverable messages. If you go with a template, select a style that matches your campaign's purpose: promotional, announcement, newsletter, or event. Templates are mobile responsive and brand friendly, making it easy to stay consistent. Use the drag and drop builder to add text, images, buttons, and spacers without any coding. Keep paragraphs short, add clear calls to action, and use high-quality images with descriptive alt text. Make sure buttons are prominent and link to the right destination. Keep your branding consistent and check that your footer details are accurate. Before moving on, send a test to yourself or a colleague. Click to send a preview and proofread carefully. Test every link, view on mobile and desktop, and check dark mode if possible. When you're happy, choose Preview or select Save and Next. Your campaign is now ready for final review and the next steps towards sending.